This is a good day for Rivers State. Under the leadership of His Excellency, Siminalayi Fubara, from the 23rd to the 25th of May 2024, Rivers State had the investment summit, where businessmen from all walks of life came and saw the potentials for investment in Rivers State. Thereafter, the Investment Promotion Agency was signed into existence by an executive order. And here we are today, executing a Memorandum of Understanding to convert waste to wealth. In the process, electricity will be generated about 200 megawatts per day. 20 tons of carbon will be trapped, will be captured and traded in the carbon market. And of course, the returns are unimaginable. A reputable company, Omene Holding, is going to drive this project. And they have connections and partners all over the world. So we look forward to a cleaner Port Harcourt, a brighter Port Harcourt, and a more prosperous Rivers State. I can assure you what is happening today has not happened in Nigeria. I spoke to Mr. Franklin. There is no state in Nigeria presently where waste is being converted to wealth. So Rivers State is a pace setter. We continue to set the pace and others will follow. Thank you.
General, highly appreciate it today. Also want to thank His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara for making this possible under his dispensation. We also want to acknowledge Riwama for the good work they're doing, and we're here to compliment what they're already doing. Also, Mr. Chamberlain, who has also made our presence here possible today by inviting us to the investment forum which we attended a few months ago. We took it a step further to realizing this dream for the state. We want to convert your waste to wealth, and this is what we do best. We want to replicate what's been done in Singapore, Denmark, Germany. With our partners, Intec out of Germany, will be partnering with us to realize this project. We've got necessary funds to realize this dream for the state, and we've got timelines set for us to realize this dream. I'm here with my colleagues. I'll let them say one or two words, but I'm very happy to be here and for the state giving us the platform to realize this vision, to make Rivers State the name that is used to be known for, the Garden City, a city where everybody wants to come and take advantage of what we're bringing here to the people of Rivers State. And in support of the host community, we're also going to give back to the community with our little CSR that we'll be discussing with the host community. Thank you very much. My name is Prince Franklin Otoba Omene. Thank you.
Say that on behalf of the Rivers State Investment Promotion Agency, I am absolutely delighted and thrilled to be here in this signing ceremony of such a lofty project. We know that waste is wealth around the world. I had discussed with Mr. Franklin, and we had shared a few analogies and knowledge about how waste management had revolved and become a big industry. And we've always had that issue of how to manage our wealth and our waste in Rivers State. So I'm very happy that this agreement is being signed to complement the efforts of Riwama that had been doing quite a good job keeping the city clean, and it would elevate the state in terms of generating power from waste, and as well as having other byproducts like compost and the rest of it. So the agency, we are very positive about helping promote investment opportunities, helping enhance the ease of doing business. So this is one of the flagship agreements, I would say, that we are witnessing, and we are very proud in the agency that this would lead the way to more investment opportunities and agreements and deals being signed. So we commend this effort, and I truly appreciate His Excellency Governor Siminalayi Fubara for leading the way in helping to drive investment growth in the state. Thank you.
My name is Prince Ohia, Acting Sole Administrator, River State Waste Management Agency. When we came on board, we did make a promise. The promise was that we are going to sustain the old order, which was waste evacuation and the state. And then we also promised that we are going to have a new order, and that new order will be transforming our waste to wealth. Today, that is coming to fruition through a well-defined character in governance of our dear governor, the Amapo Sir Siminalayi Fubara, who, because of his well-defined character in governance, has laid foundation for this laudable achievement. Today, our waste is moving towards the trajectory of being transformed into electricity. It's not just only the electricity, the environment will be clean, we are going to generate power, and then we are going to generate both direct and indirect employment. This is a good omen to the state. Thank you, and God bless all of you.
Tonte Davis, Acting Administrator, Greater Port Harcourt City Development Authority. For us, Greater Port Harcourt today marks a significant milestone in our journey towards sustainable development and environmental stewardship in Rivers State. You all know that when His Excellency came into office, the first project he embarked upon was the 20,000 housing project located along the Tangulles Boulevard, also known as the Obrigori Road towards the airport. And almost directly opposite that housing estate lies the waste dump. And what we are doing today is significant to us because we are moving that waste, recycling it, converting it into wealth. And what we have done in Greater Port Harcourt is to identify a very good suitable land for us to relocate this waste. And that land has been located and sited within Eleme, directly on the new road that's being constructed, the Port Harcourt Ring Road. And so it will be very easy to move from one point to another. We took our time, critically located, identified this site, and I believe this project is going to add to the development of the new city. Thank you.
We are part of the other initiatives here. We are also trying to develop the 6 EV project, which is essentially will leverage the power that we generate out of this project to drive for the EV project, and which is where we'll be training some of the youngsters in terms of the EVs, and we will be ensuring that addresses the transportation institutions in a very, very sustainable manner. I think we're quite pleased to have signed this agreement, and hopefully we'll create a lot of value for the state of Rivers State and eventually for Nigeria.